Alright, so what we have here is a Kawasaki GPX 750. So I don't know the year model, but as far as I know, it is around 1985 onwards. So this bike became very famous when the Top Gun movie was released with Tom Cruise. They are technically they are not the same with the Tom Cruise bike was using, but they are somewhat identical. They are both still Kawasaki and almost the same. The only difference is this is a 750cc. So this bike is a rare legendary bike, and we are very lucky enough to be able to fix it or restore it. So this bike has been trashed for almost couple of years already. So just check this video. With all of this debris and trash, poop, so many things, inside of it is there's the GPX 750 is located. So we're going to get all of this stuff, dirty, smelly, and all of this, I don't know. So just look at the video. I'm not gonna talk anything because we're going to restore it and also review it. So let's go.
Tingnan ng mga bayani.
Muli kang mabuhay.
This bike is I ride this for 10 months already.
14 months. 2 years na.
No, not 14 months.
3 years na.
3 years na.
Iloy.
3 years na.
Ataka mangka.
Wapay quarantine.
Naglalis pa.
Wapay quarantine.
Wala pa'y quarantine. Naabot sa kuha. Dihawa ko rin nagbutin ko sa tuiga.
Oh.
16, 17.
Mushroom.
So, kini siya, na-standby ni maybe 2017.
17. Sobra pa. 3 years.
Muling narong restoration gini.
Kini mo restore. Kini si
Nasa ba? Kamera? Tignan mo siya.